Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Again, we are here in Obsidian. We're gonna tour one of the model homes here, but before that, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and put those bell notifications on so that you won't miss any of the videos that I'll be doing in the future. And we're here in the Obsidian community by Woodside Homes in Summerlin. If you missed some of my videos, please check out the channel page. There is a playlist there. And this is the SAPPHIRE Plan 5 3-story home and 1,859 square feet. And also it is starting at $529,990. All right, I'm spanning around so you can see the communities here, meaning the homes that are being built right now. They still have about 28 lots available for release, and I'd love to tour this home, guys, with you together. So let's take a look. All right, so we're seeing the facade, the front of this model home, and that is the front area, and let's go inside. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, so that you won't miss any of my videos. Knock knock. Oh, they have this side yard here. Look at that. Let's check out the side yard. You can definitely put a barbecue grill here, right? Because your neighbor here is pretty far up, meaning they don't have a window, they only have a balcony there. But they designed this as if you have a dog. All right, let's check out. Ooh, love what I'm seeing so far. Immediately there you have this bedroom area here. This is, I guess, the garage, right? Oh wow, this is a pretty large garage, guys, because you still have this area here for storage, right? If you have to put your bikes, motorbikes, really huge. You can definitely put large vehicle here easily on this in this garage. All right, let's go back inside. We have this mini area here for bar. Let's check out what's in here. You have a small closet here. This is definitely good for your in-laws, right? Because if they are having a hard time going upstairs, they can definitely sleep here. Or your guest, if you wanted to be separated from your guests. And they have, hello, their bathtub here. Sorry, it's a shower. It's pretty nice ensuite bathroom for this guest bedroom here. All right, let's go down to the upper floor. But I think I haven't opened. This is the garage. Okay, this is probably the door that I haven't opened. Look at this. You have storage area there. All right, I'm ready. Are you ready, guys? Let's go. Ooh, nice carpet here, but I will definitely upgrade this into a nice hardwood flooring. Ooh, love the railings here, but this is the view, right? Nice open concept. This is much larger than the other model homes I've seen, meaning in terms of the layout. I love the openness of this, and I love the railings here too. Okay, let's span this. Oh yeah, it has a separate dining area there with Lots of windows. All right, and this is what I like, because while you're eating, you can actually see a little bit of the view of the strip. Again, it is very small on this video, but when you go here inside, you can definitely appreciate that it's near. Yeah, it's a very open concept here. I like the color of this counter for some reason. Ooh, this is a nice. Look at this. You have your cafe here, right? Oh wow, this is a nice style of a microwave. And let's check out the sink. Look at the sink here. You can definitely wash your pans easily. And again, I love their use of the door, glass door for the pantry. You can definitely see from outside if you're missing something. I'm spanning it from the pantry side. Check out the living room area here, and we're gonna go on the balcony too. Who's singing in the background? I think it's Frank Sinatra, but I might be wrong. But I love the music of Frank Sinatra. All right. This is the view from your balcony. As you can see, guys, there's a lot of homes being built right now. There are still about 28 homes left. So this is the balcony. You can definitely eat here during the night and spend with your relatives, right? Nice sitting area there. We're back inside the house. I love what they did here on the wall paneling. It's darker because the entire house is lighter, and then they have this accent wall of a dark color and some wood designs. They are definitely not hard to do, guys, because these are just wood, right? And then you just paint it with spray, I think. Again, this is your kitchen and your living room area back to back. For some reason, this kitchen looks really nice. I think it's because of the combination of the counter plus the color of the cabinet whites. All right, let's go to the upper floor where the bedrooms are, I guess. But I'm seeing something on the right side here. Hello. This is your half bathroom, definitely useful for guests. And their flooring too is really nice. I like the gray railings here. And the carpet they used looks like the carpet you see in the hotels. But definitely I will upgrade this into luxury vinyl flooring. All right, you can see immediately the laundry area with some cabinetry there. Let's go on the left side here. What's in here? Ooh, your daughter's bedroom is here. And your daughter would appreciate that she has her own bathroom here. And a walk-in closet. Nice 3D wall tile there. Yeah, this is a nice ensuite bathroom here. Your daughter doesn't have to go out to use the bathroom. And we're seeing the owner's bedroom. Nice design. I forget where this is. I think this is in the Grand Canyon, this one. But let's take a look at the owner's bedroom here. It's a really good size, meaning large owner's bedroom. Really, really large, because this is a king size bed here. Let's take a look at the closet area here. It's a good size, not really that big, but at the same time you can share this with your husband or wife, right? And let's take a look at the owner's bedroom here. Owner's bathroom. Dual vanity sink to avoid divorce. Hello. And ooh, I love the floor here, guys. This is a nice floor. I've used this a lot in Maryland when I built my home there, and it's so pretty. Yeah, I like their wall tile there as well. This is their toilet area, which you can definitely put a door. Really nice. Love the flooring too. And this big balcony here makes the room even brighter. Let's check it out. Love this balcony, because you can see the mountains there. I don't know if you can see it, guys. Yeah, it's really near. If you're here in person, you can definitely see it very clearly. Even those mountains there looks really near from the actual in person here. But this is definitely a really large balcony. You can definitely do your dance party there, of course following the association rules. Right, because you are in an association, you have to make sure you follow the rules and the noise level if there is. But this is, oh, you know what, I noticed something. This is one thing that I really like to put. If I have to build a house, I would definitely do this kind of lighting. One more time, this is your owner's bedroom. All right, I think there are 2 bedrooms on this floor, right? For yourself and your daughter. We're now going down back to the main living area. Again, this living room area and kitchen area is literally very, very huge. It is a huge space. And what I like about it is you have this huge windows there, right? Lots of windows. And then this dining area is overlooking the living room area where you can watch together movies while you're eating. Don't have to walk all the way here to watch the TV, because you can watch it from the dining area. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you missed any of my videos, just check out the channel page, because there is a playlist there of the videos that I posted so far. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button and put those bell notifications on so that you won't miss any of the videos that I'll be posting in the future. I am reminded of something here on this view, guys. Look at this. Somehow, when I went to San Francisco before, this view here looks like it's a view from San Francisco because it's like uphill a little bit. But again, this is a nice community by Obsidian. It's in the upper portion of the valley because you also have some views of the strip here. And again, I'd really appreciate, guys, if you can comment down below what do you think of this model home, and appreciate you interacting with me in the comments because I read them all. I really appreciate you guys and would really love to grow this channel with you guys. Until next time, have a great and amazing day.